Hey guys, this is Sulema here, and in this video I am going to share the keyboard shortcut for YouTube. Most of them don't know about this shortcut, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. So here first I am taking a YouTube video. Here I am using a virtual keyboard for demonstrating. So let's start it. So the first thing is, if you want to start or pause a video, you can use the alphabet K for starting or pausing the YouTube video. And the second thing is, if you want to reduce or increase volume, you can use the arrow mark. Here I am reducing and increasing. You can see that. And the third thing is, use the alphabet J and the L for forwarding or backwarding your YouTube video up to 10 seconds. Also use number for forwarding into percentage. For example, if you press 5, your video forward to 50%, or when you press 2, your video backward to 20%. For muting the video, you can use the alphabet M for mute the video. Also you can use Shift plus F for full screen. I think this all of them know. For escaping from full screen, you can use the keyword escape. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and do subscribe my YouTube channel for more tech videos. That's all in this video. See you in the next one. Bye.